Hello students, today we are going to learn the second part of the chapter Bhaga Bhoot. Do you remember the chapter Bhaga Bhoot? It's a good story, interesting story. Just started in the last class and we reached up to the second page, isn't it? So today we are going to complete the chapter. Okay? Bhaga Bhoot, it means the ghost ran away, isn't it? So here it's about a ghost actually, or about a boy named Ankit. Yes, you know that it's a story of a boy. This lesson is a story, and it's about a boy named Ankit. Okay, and here we get a what do you call a point that message that there is no ghost exist in the world, isn't it? So all these things are not reality. Ghost and bhoot, pret, ghost, all are actually what it is superstitious things and not the reality. Okay, so this lesson tells you this, gives you this message. Okay, now we'll continue the chapter and see Bhaga Bhoot, the story is Ankit's story, and Ankit is a small boy. He was very fond of sweets, okay, and always his mother makes sweets, cooks or makes sweets, and he used to steal sweets. That means sweets means he sneaks sweets from the kitchen, isn't it? And always his mother blames him for this. She always used to say that don't eat too much of sweets. It's not good for you. Okay. And what happened one day when his उसके घर के पास एक पुजारी है, एक मंदिर है, वहाँ एक पुजारी है ना. We studied that there is a temple near Ankit's house and वहाँ एक पुजारी है. वहाँ in the temple there is a pujari named Shankar Narayan. You know that. And Shankar Narayan always gives sweets to Ankit. Okay, in temple, you know that people comes and comes for dedicating the sweets and flowers to the god goddess, isn't it? So whenever Shankar Narayan gets sweets, he will used to give this to whom? Ankit. And one day what happened? पुजारी ने क्या किया? 2 लड्डू उसे दे दिए. 2 लड्डू भेज दिए अंकित के लिए भेज दिए थे. और माँ ने, अंकित की मदर ने, माँ ने क्या किया? इन लड्डुओं को एक बॉक्स में बंद कर दिया और बॉक्स को फ्रिज के ऊपर रख दिया. ओके, शी kept these laddus in a box and kept that box on the fridge, that means top of the fridge. Okay, and she closed the door of the kitchen. दरवाज़ा, रसोई घर का दरवाज़ा बंद किया और वो बाहर चली गई, है ना. So when she came back to the kitchen and she searched for the laddu, it was missing. The box was even missing, isn't it? And so she blamed Ankit for this. She told, oh, he's a bad boy, he never thinks about others, he don't know to share things and eat. Okay, so like that. So we want to continue the chapter. Only this much we have done. We'll go to next page and देखो. अगले दिन अम्मा ने चोर को रंगों हाथों पकड़ना चाहा. Next day, Ankit's mother wanted to catch the thief. In red hand. That means what's in pay that? Rengo hatha pakadna, to catch someone while doing the wrong things, isn't it? So here Ankit's sister also supported him, that saying like this. He didn't eat anything, take any laddu and all. He was sitting here and doing his work. Okay, he didn't go to the kitchen. Like that she supported. So here then mother decided that yes, I will catch the thief next day. उन्होंने सोन पापड़ी का डिब्बा जानबूझकर फ्रिज के ऊपर रख दिया. यस, उसने क्या किया? अंकित की मदर ने, माँ ने क्या किया? सोन पापड़ी. हैव यू सीन सोन पापड़ी और हैव यू ईटन सोन पापड़ी? इट्स अ स्वीट, व्हाइट कलर का, वेरी what you call delicious and tasty, you know that. So she kept a son papdi dibba, box of son papdi sweets. So she kept the same place, at the same place, top of the fridge, that means on the fridge. और अपने और मैं अपनी बहन के साथ अपने कमरे में बैठा कंप्यूटर पर गेम खेलने में मग्न था. And Ankit, at that time Ankit was sitting with his sister, बहन, in his room, and he was playing games, okay, in computer. Okay, he was using the computer and playing games there. इतने में आवाज सुनाई दी. Then within short time what happened? One sound he heard. शैतान, तूने फिर सारी मिठाइयाँ खा ली. Shaitan, that's bad word, no? Mischievous boy. Again you steal the you are stealing the sweets, and you took all the sweets and ate like that. Who asked? Mother. Ankit. No, Ankit's mother. Ankit's mother was shouting like this. So he heard this sound, isn't it? मैं हैरान था. I was wondered, isn't it? हैरान हो गया. मैंने तो मिठाई देखी भी नहीं थी. I didn't see even the sweets, सोन पापड़ी. Then how can I take this? कैसे खा सकता था? How can I eat these sweets? Because I didn't see even the सोन पापड़ी's box. No, I was in computer. I was in room and playing with my sister in computer, isn't it? So he was surprised to hear this. मैंने अम्मा से बार बार कहा, अम्मा मैंने मिठाई नहीं खाई. I told to my mother, again and again I told, repeated the same. I didn't eat the sweets. मैंने नहीं खाई. I didn't eat the sweet. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं. I don't know even कि आपने मिठाई बनाई है. That you made मिठाई. You today you make sweets. I don't know even about it. Then how can I eat it? अम्मा बहुत नाराज थी. अम्मा, mother was so angry. उन्होंने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी. She didn't even hear his words. Okay, she was not ready to hear even his words. मुझे बहुत जोर से डांटते हुए बोली. जोर से डांटना क्या है? जोर से डांटना. Scolding loudly, saying loudly and scolding him. She said loudly, scolding him loudly like this. चुप, मैं जानती हूँ तुम्हारे सिवाय कोई ऐसा काम नहीं कर सकता. चुप हो जाओ. What is mean चुप? Keep quiet. I know that you are the person who was stealing these sweets. Who will come here and take the sweets? You are the person. No, you took the sweet. I know that. Who told angrily? Ankit's mother. Okay. घर के नौकर भी अम्मा की बात पर सहमति प्रकट करने लगे. The servant also, the house के उनके घर के एक servant, नौकर भी, घर का नौकर भी अम्मा की बात पर सहमति देने लगे. What's mean that? The servant of that house also agreed with the mother's words, isn't it? Agreed with her. Yes, maybe Ankit himself, he took the sweet. Okay. Now मुझे बेहद गुस्सा आ रहा था. I was also getting too angry. No, I also got very angry. Why? Simply mother and servant, they are teasing me, blaming me. I didn't do this then. So all are like that. No, whenever we didn't do any crime or any mistake, if you're getting simply the scolding, what will happen? We will become angry, isn't it? Like that, the same thing happened with Ankit also. Okay. मैंने मिठाई खाई नहीं, फिर भी बेवजह मुझसे सब नाराज हो रहे थे. अगली सुबह पंडित जी ने फिर से प्रसाद भेजा. बेवजह मीन्स विदाउट एनी रीजन. बेवजह, वजह रीजन, बेवजह विदाउट रीजन, और वो ब्लेमिंग मी. सो आई बिकेम एंग्री. आई गॉट एंग्री वेरी फास्ट. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. मैं नाराज हो गए थे. अगली सुबह नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग अगेन पंडित जी ने क्या भेजा? पंडित जी सेंड अगेन सम स्वीट्स. ओके, मंदिर में से स्वीट्स भेजा. अम्मा ने हम सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा दिया. अम्मा ने हम सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा दिया. मदर गेव स्वीट्स टू अस, some few, that means some sweets she distributed to us, gave to us. फिर बाकी को फ्रिज के अंदर रख दिया. then she kept balance, left sweets in the fridge. okay, फ्रिज के अंदर, ऊपर नहीं, अंदर रख दिया. मैंने निश्चय कर लिया कि चोर को पकड़ूंगा. I also decided that yes, I will catch the thief today itself. Okay. मेरी बहन ने निश्चित रूप से कह दिया, जरूर कोई भूत आकर मिठाई खा जाता है. My sister told, निश्चित रूप means surely. She told that yeah, definitely, definitely who is coming here? A ghost. Maybe a ghost is coming. जरूर means surely, not maybe. Surely a ghost is coming and taking the sweets like this. That's why the sweets are missing like this. Okay. अम्मा और बाबूजी दोनों ने ही कहा. अम्मा and babuji or babuji, mother and father, both of them told the same, कोई भूत प्रेत नहीं होता, ये सब मनगढ़ंत कहानियां हैं. Mother and father of Ankit, they told clearly that there is no bhoot pret, there is no ghost here exist in this world. ये सब क्या है, मनगढ़ंत कहानियां है, ये सब imaginary stories है. मनगढ़ंत means what we makes, it's not made up stories, that means not reality, not real. Okay, all these are stories. Okay, don't believe in these things. मेरे घर के नौकर गोविंद ने कहा, नहीं इंसान है, भूत प्रेत होते हैं. हमारे घर का एक नौकर था, उसका नाम था गोविंद. ओके, सो गोविंद ने क्या कहा, सर्वेंट ने क्या कहा, गोविंद सर्वेंट था उनका, नहीं साहब भूत प्रेत होते हैं. नो भूत प्रेत आर एक्सिस्टिंग हियर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. वे चुपके से आकर चीजें लेकर गायब हो जाते. दे आर कमिंग साइलेंटली एंड टेकिंग द थिंग्स एंड वैनिशिंग. So I believe in भूत प्रेत. Who told this? Servant Govind. Okay. हम सब भाई बहनों ने निश्चित रूप से मान लिया कि भूत ही मिठाइयाँ ले जाता है. भाई बहनों ने, अंकित एंड सिस्टर, both of them believe that yes, भूत is there, भूत ghost is coming and taking the sweets. Otherwise, who will come and take the sweets? Then, okay, they believed in ghost. Then what happened? उस दिन मैंने अम्मा से विशेष आग्रह किया कि रसोई घर में ताला लगा दे. Then on that day I asked my mother to what? Lock the kitchen with more ताला, lock with lock and key. Okay. Then खिड़की भी बंद कर दी गई. Yes, खिड़की. Then asked mother to close the window also. खिड़की क्या है? Window. Okay. बंद करना, close करना. मैं कुर्सी के पीछे छिपकर झांकने लगा. Then I sat behind the chair. कुर्सी क्या है? Chair. And I was peeping. I started to peep. What is happening? Who is coming? मुझे विश्वास था कि भूत आएगा. I believed that the ghost will come. Okay, भूत आएगा, will come. मैं उसे देखना चाहता था. I wanted to see the ghost. That's why I was hiding behind the chair and I was peeping. इतने में मैंने देखा कि एक बंदर पाइप के सहारे तेजी से चढ़कर ऊपर आया. इतने में within this I saw one बंदर, एक बंदर. क्या है बंदर? Monkey came inside. So came climbed a pipe. It was climbing through the pipe and came there, reached there. Okay. उसने खिड़की खोली and it opened. The monkey opened the window. Okay. और रसोई घर में घुसकर फ्रिज के अंदर से मिठाई उठा ली. देन मंकी ने क्या किया? रसोई घर में घुसकर फ्रिज में से मिठाई उठा ली. इट एंटर्ड द किचन. घुसना टू एंटर समवेयर. ओके, एंटर्ड द किचन एंड फ्रिज ओपन किया. ओपन द फ्रिज. देन वहाँ से क्या उठा ली? मिठाई उठा ली. इट टुक द स्वीट बॉक्स. ओके. Then फिर वहां से 9-2-11 हो गया. Then after taking the sweet, it ran away from there, disappeared from there. 9-2-11. That means 9-2-11 होना, run fast, running very fast, going very fast from there. Okay. So बंदर ने स्वीट्स उठा के वहां से चला गया. मैं चिल्लाता हुआ बाहर की तरफ दौड़ा. I was shouting and I was running to the running outside, out of the room. Okay. अम्मा चोर पकड़ा गया. What I shouted, अम्मा चोर पकड़ा गया. Yes, I caught the chor. Okay. I know, I understood who is the thief. Chor means thief. भूत कुछ नहीं है. Yes, there is no ghost exists in this world. यह तो एक बंदर है. This is a monkey. Okay. Then he was shouting. Ankit was shouting because he caught the thief. No, that is why he was so happy. Then अम्मा के साथ सब बाहर आ गए. Everyone came inside. बाहर आ गए means came out. Okay. Came out of the room. Then बंदर को भागते देख माँ ने कहा, अरे तू तो बड़ा जासूस है. Bandar that monkey was running, no, so everyone saw this. Then mother told to him, oh, you are a detective. Jasus means, who is jasus? A detective. So actually you are a genius person, a detective. You found out who is the thief. No, like that mother appreciated whom? अंकित, तूने तो इतनी आसानी से चोर को पकड़ा लिया. Very easily you caught the chor. You understood who is the chor, who is the robber. That means who is the thief. तू तो मेरा होनहार बेटा निकला. You are my smart boy. You are a smart boy, no? Like that. Who appreciated? Ankit's mother appreciated Ankit. Okay. पिताजी ने कहा. Then father also told like this. पढ़े लिखे बुद्धिमान बच्चे जांच परख कर की किसी पर विश्वास करते हैं. His father also appreciated him like this and told to him that पढ़े लिखे बुद्धिमान बच्चे, पढ़े लिखे educated children, that means those who know everything, those who are smart. Okay, जानबूझकर ही, जांच परख कर ही, जांच परखना to do investigation, otherwise to see and observe and study something, to understand something, that's mean जान परखना. Okay, test करना, and to examine something and test something and come to the conclusion, isn't it? So the children, those who are smart, educated, smart, those who have intelligence, they are only believe in the matters when they understood properly, when they realize the things, isn't it? So you are the smart boy and you realize the fact that there is no ghost. Okay, so जान परख कर पाना, जानना मतलब to understand the things, the matters clearly after testing and examining, doing examination and all. Okay, so before that, don't believe in anything, any false ideas. Okay, so मेरी बहन भी बोली, मास्टर जी ने कहा था कि भूत वहम का नाम है. My sister also told that at that time, yes, my master ji, my teacher told that bhoot is the name of what vaham. Vaham means what? What's the vaham? Vaham means not real. Okay, it is not, which is not real. That is vaham. Just an imagination. Okay. अब नौकर गोविंद भी जान गया कि भूत वगैरह नहीं होते. Now the servant also understood that there is no bhoot. Earlier what he was saying, it was bhoot, it was God who is coming and taking the sweets. Okay, now he understood. उसने कहा, he also told like this, अंकित भैया लालची जरूर है पर झूठे या चोर नहीं. Now the servant was supporting Ankit by saying like this, Ankit bhaiya is not a chore. What is it? Chore, thief. He is not a thief. No, he is a lalchi. He is very greedy for sweets. He likes sweets so much and greedy also. He will sometimes he will take the sweets from kitchen and all, but he is not a thief. ओके, ऐसे लोगों को देखकर तो भूत भी दुम दबाकर भाग जाएगा. ऐसे अच्छे लोगों को देखकर, seeing such good people, that means such like Ankit, the real ghost even will run away. Okay, so whose command it was? It was the command of the naukar. Okay, the servant. सब खिलखिलाकर हंसने लगे. Seeing, hearing this, everyone started laughing. Everyone became happy and all enjoyed this joke. शिक्षा यानी मोरल क्या है इस चैप्टर का? पढ़े लिखे बुद्धिमान बच्चे जांच परख कर ही किसी बात पर विश्वास करते हैं. पढ़े लिखे बुद्धिमान बच्चे, those who know everything, पढ़े लिखे, learned, those educated children, those who are intelligent, they will believe in things after testing the thing or observing it properly. Okay, before that don't reach in a conclusion. Okay, that is the moral for you. Okay, understand properly, then believe in anything. Okay, that is the chapter. That is the message that you get from this chapter. Read the lesson properly and study the dictation words and all the difficult words they have written here. Now do gyara hona, which means run fast. Ban gadhand, which means made up stories, made up things. Arenge hatham pakadna, which means catch someone while wrongdoing. Okay children, these all are the difficult words from this second part of this chapter. Okay, then I hope that all of you like this story very well. Okay, and think about the moral, understand it. Okay, bye.